In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Brevo. By the end, you'll have a polished email campaign ready to send, and you'll understand what each click is doing so you can repeat it with confidence. First, open Brevo in your browser and head to your dashboard. From there, look for the marketing area in the main navigation. That's where all your outbound campaigns live. Click Create Campaign, then choose the email option. Brevo supports other channels, but we're focusing on a classic email newsletter here. You'll be prompted to name your campaign. Use a clear internal name so you and your team can recognize it later, like a date and topic. When that's set, confirm by creating the campaign to move into the setup flow. Next, it's time to choose who receives your newsletter. Click Add Recipients. In the selector, pick Select Lists, Segments, or Individual Contacts. This lets you target a full list, a filtered segment, or a few contacts if you're testing. Select the list that represents your newsletter audience. You'll usually see it highlighted once chosen. If you maintain multiple lists, double check you've picked the right one, then click Save to lock in your recipients. Now add your subject line. Click. Add subject and type a concise, benefit-driven subject that matches the content of your newsletter. Keep it clear, avoid spammy phrasing, and consider adding a preview text if available to reinforce your message in the inbox. When you're happy, click Save so Brevo stores those details. Let's design the email. Click Start Designing to open the editor. In the template gallery, choose Ready to Use to browse professionally designed layouts that you can customize quickly. When you find a style that suits your brand and content, click Use Template. Inside the editor, open blocks to access individual elements like text, images, buttons, and dividers. Use sections to adjust the overall layout structure. Think single column announcements, two column content blocks, or a featured header area. Swap in your copy and visuals, keeping a consistent hierarchy and enough spacing for readability. As you work, save periodically so nothing is lost. When your content and layout look good, click Save and Quit to exit the editor. Back on the campaign screen, open the scheduling option to choose when the newsletter will be sent. Pick a date and time that suits your audience's time zone and typical reading habits, then confirm your schedule. That's it. You've set up your recipients, subject, design, and send time in Brevo. Follow these same steps for future newsletters to keep your process fast, consistent, and stress-free.